How to solve a quadratic using the quadratic formula on your calculator using the Casio Fx-991MS. The example we're going to show you today is 14x squared minus 6x minus 12 equals 0. So A in this case is 14, B is negative 6, and C is negative 12. Go to your calculator, select mode 3 times, 1, 2, 3. You should see equation 1. Select 1. You're going to scroll so you see degree. Select 2 or a degree of 2. Now you're going to enter in your A, B, and C values. So A is 14, B is negative 6, and C is negative 12. You're going to get an x1 value. That's your first solution for 1646. Hit enter again, and you get an x2 value. Negative 0.7360. And there you have it. You just solved a quadratic using the quadratic formula on the Casio Fx-991MS.